people, this is Lord I the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about the hate comments and a lot of these hate people are receiving on YouTube. Realistically people, hate and the hate comments, you need to understand. By the time you're getting hate comments, it means you're doing something right. What it really means is that at the end of the day, people took time enough to know what you was doing to hate you. There's two types of emotion in this world, my friend. Love and hate. And both of them take a lot of energy. So when you see somebody hating you, it's a lot of energy them using. In your favor actually. Because especially in YouTube favor, for every person that hates you, them actually viewing the video. Them making sure them know what you're doing. Them telling you don't do any more videos, but when you do the video they'll be the first to watch. So remember, the person who hating you, him is your number one viewer, Him love you the most too, So you have to keep them coming so him have something to do. If you don't keep giving him something to hate, what him going to be at home sad, because him don't have nothing to hate now, So you have to give him more videos to hate, more videos to comment and tell you say you're doing bad, you're doing terrible, even though him say the 300 likes, even though him say you have 20,000 views, yeah, but it's still hate, him still hate, yeah, we know you can't stop. So you just have to hate and hate and hate, and you're going to hate straight back. But we'll still be doing what we doing, because guess what? Your hate don't stop we. It don't stop there. We don't care about your little life and what you doing. That is just your business. Go on hate. Continue doing your thing. Nobody cares. You understand what I say? Everybody else where you see you hating on, them trying to be progressive, uplifting themselves, doing their thing. And that's all you need to remember, say, most haters, them uplifting you. Because when they realize how them hating, them know everything about you, them is your number one fan. You understand what I say? So, big up yourself for the people that were showing us love. Big up yourself for the people that were hating us too. Showing a lot of hate, the hate overflowing. We see it, definitely we see it, believe me. So, big up yourself everybody. Other than that, you don't know, remember to like and subscribe. Also, remember to follow me on Instagram, the Dad's Lord High, living legend. You don't know. Big up yourself, original Yardy. Big up. Boom.